Customizing the permission request user interface. Urbit Visor includes the option to have a modal or a pop-up show up whenever permissions are requested. You can manage that here by clicking on the hamburger menu and settings and confirmation settings. Right now it's a modal, so let's look at what that looks like. I'm going to have Twitter UV request permissions. And that's complete. Now let's see how the request looks as a pop-up. As a new window, it has popped up. Thank you for watching this demo of Urbit Visor's ability to have modal or pop-up window permission requests.